Okay, so here's a continuation. So I got the 6 peptide skin booster, which is a serum type. Wala naman siyang scent. Na-excite na ako. Gagamitin ko na to mamaya. Ayan. So, here's my current skin condition. It's not good. And, ayun, of course, syempre, with further research and view sa mga reviews na naunang gumamit, they said that it's good, that it works, it helps. Of course, may iba-ibang type of skin type, pero malay mo naman, effective. So, it's a good thing na meron silang mga gantong size lang. Mabibili and matetesting mo na lahat. Focus ba? And, ayan. So, they said that this is the first thing, like the cleanser. And then, the next one is you will apply the toner. And then, the next one is you're going to put this one, the serum. And then, last one is this. So, you need to have a damp face or damp skin for it to be effective. So, kung na mag-ganun-ganun mamaya. And then, this is the last one. So, you need to put moisturizing lotion so that this will be effective. Or all of the skincare will be effective. So, ayun. Nakakatuwa kasi meron silang mga gantong set. O, diba? Makikita nyo naman yan. Hanapin nyo na lang kung saan nyo makikita to. It's a good thing. So, ito yung actual size niya. Gusto nyo makita. Ayan, diba? Mga ano lang to. 30 ml, 30 ml, 20 ml. Diba? Trial pack talaga. So, kung hindi effective sa'yo, at least, hindi ka nagkaksaya ng maraming malalaking bote. Ito, wala akong makitang mas maliit. 150 ml na agad yung naka for sale. Kasi parang out of stock na yung maliliit. So, since ito yung mas maraming good reviews, ayan. For the risk taker ang person. So, ayun. Sana effective. Nakita nyo naman yun sa future video ko kung kuminis na ako. I currently have zit nga on. Hi! Okay. Okay, till next video. Bye!